Welcome to today's lesson on condiments and spices. These are important words you will use every day when talking about food. Condiments and spices help make our food taste better. Today, we will learn 5 common items: salt, pepper, sugar, ketchup, and mustard. By the end of this lesson, you will know what each one is, how to use it, and how to talk about it in English. Let's begin. The first item is salt. Salt is a white substance that comes from the sea or from the earth. We use salt to add flavor to our food. The pronunciation is salt. Salt has many common uses. You can sprinkle salt on your food to make it taste better. We also use salt to season dishes while cooking. Salt is also used to preserve food and keep it fresh for longer. Salt is one of the most basic and important ingredients in cooking. Next, we have pepper. Pepper is a spice with a hot taste. It can be black or white, and it is usually ground into powder or used as whole seeds. The pronunciation is pepper. Pepper is commonly used to add spice to meals. Many people season meats with pepper before cooking. You can also grind fresh pepper directly onto your food using a pepper grinder. Pepper gives food a warm, slightly spicy flavor that many people enjoy. Our third item is sugar. Sugar is a sweet substance that comes from plants. We use sugar to make food and drinks taste sweet. The pronunciation is sugar. Sugar has several common uses in the kitchen. You can use sugar to sweeten beverages like tea, coffee, or juice. Sugar is essential for baking desserts like cakes, cookies, and pies. Many people also add sugar to their coffee or tea to make it sweeter. Sugar is the opposite of salt because it makes things sweet instead of salty. Now let's learn about ketchup. Ketchup is a thick, red sauce made from tomatoes. It has a taste that is both sweet and tangy. The pronunciation is ketchup. Ketchup is very popular in many countries. People commonly serve ketchup with French fries. You can put ketchup on burgers and sandwiches. Ketchup is also used as a dip for snacks like chicken nuggets or onion rings. It comes in bottles or small packets. The last item is mustard. Mustard is a yellow or brown sauce with a sharp, spicy flavor. It is made from mustard seeds. The pronunciation is mustard. Mustard is used in many different ways. You can spread mustard on sandwiches to add flavor. Mustard is commonly served with hot dogs and sausages. You can also mix mustard into salad dressings or sauces. Mustard has a stronger taste than ketchup, and some people prefer one over the other. Now let's learn words to describe how these items taste. When something has the taste of salt, we call it salty. For example, you might say this soup is too salty. When something has a sugary taste, we call it sweet. You could say the cake is very sweet. When something has a hot, sharp taste, we call it spicy. For example, this curry is spicy. Finally, when something has a sharp, slightly sour taste, we call it tangy. Ketchup tastes tangy. These words help you describe flavors in English. Let's practice some common phrases you can use when talking about these condiments and spices. When you want someone to give you salt, you can say, "Can you pass the salt?" If you are offering pepper to someone, you can ask, "Do you want pepper on that?" When someone is having coffee or tea, you can ask, "How many sugars do you take?" At a restaurant, the server might ask, "Would you like ketchup with your fries?" And if you are looking for mustard, you can ask, "Do you have any mustard?" Practice these phrases to sound more natural in English. When we talk about condiments and spices, we often need to describe amounts or quantities. For small amounts of salt or pepper, we say a pinch of salt or a pinch of pepper. A pinch means a very small amount that you can hold between your finger and thumb. For sugar or mustard, we often say a spoonful of sugar or a spoonful of mustard. A spoonful is the amount that fits on a spoon. When buying these items, we talk about containers. We say a bottle of ketchup or a bottle of mustard because they usually come in bottles. We also say a packet of sugar or a packet of salt, especially in restaurants where they give you small packets. Let's do a quick review of everything we learned today. We studied 5 important condiments and spices. Salt is white and makes food salty. Pepper is black or white and makes food spicy. Sugar is sweet and used in desserts and drinks. Ketchup is a thick, red, tangy sauce, and mustard is a yellow or brown sauce with a sharp taste. Remember to practice using these words in sentences. Try using the phrases we learned when you talk about food. The more you practice, the more natural these words will become. Keep practicing, and you will improve your English vocabulary every day.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.